Armenia, Georgia, Estonia, Switzerland, Austria, Belgium, Slovakia, Italy, North Macedonia, Poland, Romania, Yemen, Albania, Ireland, Russia, Oman, Bulgaria, Saudi Arabia, Hungary, Cyprus, Iraq, and Iran. There's Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, the UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Germany, Portugal, France, UK, Denmark, and Spain. Ukraine, Andorra, Croatia, Moldova, then Czechia and Kosovo, Belarus, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Montenegro, Latvia, Azerbaijan, San Marino, the Maldives and Vanuatu, Serbia, Kiribati, then Micronesia, the Marshall Islands, Tuvalu, Timor-Leste, Palau, Equatorial Guinea, Malaysia, and Cabo Verde, New Zealand.